Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki, and now I am here with rapid fire question 22. And today's question is mutagenic action of 5-bromodeoxyuridine. And this is a rapid fire question series for PhD entrance exams and interviews. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So first of all, what is 5-bromodeoxyuridine? So it is a chemical structure that is similar to thymidine. That means T. It substitutes thymidine during DNA synthesis. During S phase of the cell cycle, when DNA replication occurs, 5-bromodeoxyuridine can be incorporated in place of thymidine in newly synthesized DNA molecules of dividing cells. It hydrogen bonds with guanine instead of adenine and results in base pair substitution mutations or AT to GC transition. In its rare form, 5-bromodeoxyuridine pairs with adenine. So we'll see this picture. So this is the normal DNA that contains the AT base pair. Now it is going through the S phase of the cell cycle, and this BRDU is incorporated in place of T. So it is getting mutated now. Now this mutated DNA will undergo the DNA replication. So it has two strands. This is strand 1, this is strand 2. Now from strand 1, this DNA molecule will be generated. So here A is present in the template strand and T will be present in the newly synthesized strand. So this is normal, or you can say wild type DNA. And this DNA, this mutated DNA, has one more strand, that is strand 2, that is mutated. So you can see that this strand 2 will produce this DNA. So BRDO is present here. In place of A, G will place here. So this is again mutated DNA. Now one more replication cycle we will see. So this is strand 1 here, this is strand 2. So from strand 1, this DNA will be produced. So G is present here, this is the template strand. And here C will occur because G pairs with C. So this is the mutated DNA, because you can see that in place of A and T that was present in the wild type DNA, now GC is present here. So you see it is the transition process. AT gets transited into GC. And the next strand, that is strand 2 here, again it will produce the DNA where G will be placed here because BRDU will pair with G. So this is the case. Now the question was in DBT BED JRF 2012, which of the following is not a feature of mutagenic action of 5-bromodeoxyuridine? Not a feature, okay, not a feature. It acts on growing cells, so this is true, because we have seen that when the cell is in its S phase, that means the cell is in its growing stage, this mutation occurs. So this will not be the answer. It forms base pair with A in its rare form. That is also true. In its rare form, this 5-bromodeoxyuridine base pairs with A. So this is also not the answer. It induces transition. That is also true, because we have seen that AT will become GC. So that is also not the answer. D. It affects only one strand of DNA. So that is absolutely false, because it affects both strands of DNA. When one strand is affected, definitely the other strand will be affected also, because this is a mutation, and during the replication both strands are affected. So this is not a feature. So this is the right answer. Let's check the answer. Answer is D here.